Hey friends, if you wish to turn on or off Microsoft Print to PDF on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Click on File, select Save As, select Browse, and just name it anything. I'll make it Test PDF. Choose a good location to save it. Change the type to PDF. Click on Save. This could be any PDF document. I'm just creating this one for the sake of example. Now, a PDF has been created here. Choose Microsoft Edge for opening it and click on just once or always, whatever you prefer. You would see that this page is very different. What is different in it? Let us open some other page or some other blog. Okay. It does not have all those options on the top that a PDF does. For example, you can use this marker, you can draw, you can erase, you can add text, you can ask Copilot, you can translate, you can save, copy, and edit it with Acrobat. So the Microsoft Edge editor for PDF gives you a lot of options. It can be a worthy alternative to Adobe to the Adobe Acrobat software for those who do not wish to edit much but need basic editing on a PDF. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.